Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Ecosport AC filter. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit, and a ratchet. Having a clip removal tool can also be helpful. Of course, make sure you have your brand new cabin air filter ready to go. This quick replacement will significantly improve your vehicle's air quality and the efficiency of your air conditioning system, taking about 15 minutes to complete. Now, let's get started by accessing the filter. Begin by moving the front passenger seat all the way back to give yourself ample room to work. Next, you will need to carefully remove the lower trim panel in the passenger footwell. This panel is typically held by a few clips and possibly 1 or 2 screws. Use your flathead screwdriver or clip removal tool to gently pry it off, revealing the filter housing. With the housing exposed, you will see a rectangular cover secured by 4 Torx T20 screws. Use your T20 bit and ratchet to unscrew these fasteners. Once the screws are removed, carefully pull the cover away from the housing, being mindful of any rubber gaskets that might be attached. Now, gently slide the old cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Take a moment to clean out any debris inside the housing. It's time for the new filter. Notice the airflow arrow on your new filter. Ensure it points towards the cabin as you slide it into the housing. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, making sure it seats properly, and then secure it with the 4 T20 Torx screws. Finally, reinstall all the trim panels and clips you removed earlier. Start your engine and test your air conditioning to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.